Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and it's me, Logan. But we're gonna play Teardown on this new map. And what the heck is that noise? Oh my gosh, so we're just gonna start it off and take this for a spin, and I found something new. I downloaded this like 2 weeks ago, something. Look at this, like what is this? Like what kind of thing is this? Like, I can do like this bomb. Watch that, robot. Ready? Like, what is this? Like, we got a left click. Actually, right click. Yeah, mine. And there's like that. Oh, I shouldn't do that. That can cost a force fight, so I gotta run. Alright, so we're gonna get this bad boy up and see how it does. And we might fire a couple missiles at it. Who knows? Let's go up. And should we stay in? Yeah, I think we should get out. Wait. It's getting way. And I do have a jetpack. That's like hey, stop it! Actually, my friend Teardown, we just don't know how to do multiplayer. And I'm getting a new gaming computer. Oh, at least my first one. Is that right? Yeah, that's what you think. No, you know what? You know what? I have a gun. What doesn't show anything, but it makes you go flying. Are you ready? No, not this. This is actually something very OP. Watch this. Are you ready? And do this too. Oh, that's cursed. Oh yeah. Turns into liquid that I've never seen. What is this thing? Oh, my game's lagging. Wait, what? Crashed? Oh, what the heck happened to the airplane? I mean, aka helicopter. But like, what the heck happened to it? I thought it was just like flying in the sky, but no, it fell into like the forest fight. Then now it's all on fire, and no one survived. Oh, there's one guy. That is splits over there. What? Oh no! We already lost one guy. There's a piece hanging right here. I want to take it out. Oh no, this is the. Oh, I can tell this is no survivors. Yeah, the red means they didn't survive. Yeah. Oh, what did I stop putting fire? And I don't see who survived. Wow! Did all you guys survive? I mean, never mind. Did the pilots survive? I bet not. No way. I think that's only this guy. Not for long. You have served very well. Oh, and I got the stop gun. Okay, I haven't showed you guys. I just extinguish it over and over. Oh, what? Whoa. Wait, is that guy? Wait, what did you say? Wait, you just subscribe and like and put a comment saying what ready we? Yeah, that's a great idea. Thank you. Alright, you're coming with me. Yeah, so guys, make sure to like and subscribe and put a comment and yeah, any comment. Come on guys, you're coming with me. Why? Why are you walking like that? Coming with me. No matter what. You are coming. Oh, I didn't mean to do that! Did you get knocked out? Oh, you're still alive. Oh. Wait, can I do that in front of this guy? Bye! Oh, ow! Get... How do I do that? Like... Wait. I know something very evil. I just... Oh, critical condition. That was cheated. Snaps. I was spinal. You. this? Oh my gosh! I'm just gonna liquefy that. I'm having one. Yep, there goes my laptop. Get my laptop. So laggy. Is it going so slow? Yep, how about we just get away from this so it doesn't have to do much of this cubes? So let's slowly fire up. Yeah. Pretend this never happened. That's not in the car anymore. Wait. I have a question. You know that like stuff where like let me just reset it. Hold on. There we go. So you know how that thing where you blow up a car and that one that thing stays? I think I turned that liquid. Am I the first one to burn it? No. That's kind of sad. It's like no. No. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna do one last thing. I think that's when we're gonna end the video. Maybe. Maybe. You? Actually, we are gonna try something we never done. Never done, actually. We're not using that, so we can just go ahead and blow that up. Oh shit, that's right. Oh, everyone's in this fine. I shouldn't say that survived y'all. Make sure to just what? Nah. Alright. I'm gonna try to airstrike this building. Gotta be quiet or else the guards won't spawn. Let's have a quiet gun, so I'm just gonna go I didn't miss that. Oh! Alright. I'm just gonna slowly but surely. Alright. Oh, how did that get hit? Going down? Yeah, there's really nothing to see, but alright. Just spit. Oh my. I'm just holding it down. I'm not even spamming it. I got it. Don't hold the sign. Ow. Oh, my head. Oh, that's chaos. You saw nothing. Got it? Get out here. How did that kill him? Get out. Oh my. Can I do that with this thing? I'm like. Oh, geez, that off cam. Off cam. What exploded it? Question mark. It's like in a science class, man. Just going, what does this do? And everyone goes like, no. Alright, that must have hit me right there. Is it like, it's the time. Oh my, that's so much. I'm just gonna avoid that. If I can liquefy this too, I don't want to liquefy what happened. Oh, you survived it? Get away! Ah! Oh jeez. I'm gonna. Oh hi. Thingy. This is my OP gun. That's why it's OP. Like it's OP. It's. Oh, I got spares. Oh, chill. I didn't realize I was killing myself. I'm like, how do you like change it? I'm like, what? Oh, that's my plastic. How do you change the magma plus? What the? This looks so crazy. This like, oh, okay. B, C, X, C. And let's just not focus about that. This plane cannot work, right, soldiers? Yeah, clearly can't wait to go taking off. Like, won't even take off. I'm like, asteroid. Just rolling down the street in your brain goes now. Cold haze and heavens. Night and blizzard. I think that just blew my no. Oh, I haven't shown you guys this. Charges up like this. There's one ball. Did that actually run the building? So it goes like this, then two. It's gonna destroy this robot. Dude, this is the most laggy Daniel, like the other videos, like not the bridge one. The bridge one got so much views. I'm like, yay! Even though I didn't get any subscribers, but that's okay. Oh, but look at my gaming laptop. Not mine. It's not mine at all. But it's my friend. Okay. Oh shit! Break dice. Magic. Oh, I missed it. Why do I keep having to do this fun? Alright, we're gonna do one last thing. It's gonna be epic. Trust me. We need a helicopter. And we're gonna go for like 15 minutes. Max. So, this guy is gonna be a landing mark. We're gonna try to land on him. Okay? So, buddy, you're gonna be our landing mark. You're gonna be right here. Okay? Get ready to be land on. Yeah, color that in. Can't paint the windows. They can't see. Oh, this is gonna be such a test. Oh, ragdoll actually, it's not a myth. I don't know if it is a myth. I'm not just holding this down. Are you guys gonna come out? Yeah. Put your hand out like you don't care. Yeah. Yeah. Wait. Wait. No. This gun does absolutely nothing. Like, look at this. Like, I'm just tapping. And this is my smart pistol. So, dedicate this as smart because look at it. Locate something, task it, and it tells you something. Shoot it. Look at this. Even, oh, can I use you for demonstration? Oh, that's too bad. It's subscribed. I feel bad for him. Oh, I feel too bad. You too high? Alright. I'm afraid of bazooka at it. If this can't hit it, time to do my ultimate thing. Alright, that can't. Alright. It is to airstrike it with, oh my. With. It's gonna be. If that misses, I back up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's like just got that. Oh no. Is it gonna land on me? Right next to me. Oh, alright, somehow he survived. He survived but stuck. And no one else did. Everyone else got exploded at me. Is that true? No. Yep. No, I thought this guy would actually make it. No. I'm gonna end this one right here. Make sure to like and subscribe. Oh, more Teardown. Wait, one last thing. Make sure to like and subscribe. Oh, I have to pause it to end it. So, see you guys later and peace out. Peace out.